It's a case of keeping your head above water for the Reggae Boyz, who will go up against the United States, knowing that they can ill afford to drop another point in their CONCACAF World Cup qualifying campaign. A win for the boys on Tuesday will keep them in contention with the top four, but anything else could leave them doing the math.
It's an assignment that every member of the Reggae Boyz squad understands. With just one win to date after 7 matches and 6 points to boot, they cannot afford the gap, which is 5 points now, to get any wider. For coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore, it is down to how they execute and manage the game.
We have to get 3 points, and it doesn't really matter who is out there. We just have to, as I said before, we just have to execute. We have to do what we need to be done, and that's going to be the importance.
And for the first time in 3 appearances at the National Stadium, fans will be allowed to cheer on the boys. COVID-19 restrictions have seen the team play before an empty stadium, but finally they will be getting support, as empty seats will now be occupied by 5,000 vaccinated fans.
Yeah, they're very important to the team. As you know, we play all our game away with the away fans. They got their crowd behind them and supporting them. And you know, with the fans, that's extra motivation. You want to do good for them, you know. So it's really important to have them tomorrow.
The Reggae Boyz are yet to win at home after 2 outings, with their first match ending in defeat as Panama run out 3-0 winners. Now it's a case of correcting the wrongs on home soil.
We're playing at home and we need to win this game. We need to start winning games at home. So looking forward to it, and hopefully we can come out on top tomorrow.
This is our home patch, you know. We need to make it difficult for teams to come here and play. I do honestly believe that fans being back in will help us. And then hopefully in the new year we can have even more fans than the 5,000 we get tomorrow, and continue to make it a hard place to come and play.
The USA will be without midfielder Weston McKennie and centre-back Miles Robinson due to card suspensions. But skipper Andre Blake doesn't see a weakened American team.
Yeah, he's a very good player, you know, and anytime you can play against a team that, you know, missing a key player like Weston, it's always important. But, you know, nevertheless, they're still a very dangerous team. And we're going to have to be ready, and I think the guys will be. And again, this is our home, and we have to defend our home, and hopefully we can get the 3 points.
The Jamaicans have an eye on the points table, but defender Greg Lay insists it's not time to panic.
We can't really worry about it too much. I think we've got to take it game by game. You know, the El Salvador one, disappointed to not get the full 3 points. Obviously got the point there, but no, I think you take it game by game and focus on the table when it comes down to it.
Victory for the Jamaicans will keep them in contention, but a defeat could start another conversation as to when the Reggae Boyz will be gracing the World Cup stage once again. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.